Everyone wants a shortcut, faster routes, easier answers, and sometimes just a way to avoid responsibility. Welcome back to Facts or Frauds. This channel isn't about mocking people, it's about watching what happens when theory meets reality. And today, we're in South Carolina, where a routine traffic stop turns into a search for a shortcut that doesn't actually exist. Let's watch.
How's it going?
Can I help you?
Yes, sir. I'm stopping you for your window tint.
A window tint?
Yes, sir.
I didn't think that was any more an issue in South Carolina.
Sir?
I didn't think that was an issue in South Carolina.
Yes, sir.
Oh, well, it was on there when I got it. So.
I got you. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Well, that's the thing about that. I don't have none of that either.
Why not?
And I've already went to court and won on the court about all this. I don't understand why the word is not being given to you guys. Actually, you guys, is that on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, actually, Trooper Coram, you familiar with Mr. Coram?
Yes, sir.
He dropped 6 charges for, I guess, the lack of jurisdiction, for better use words for it.
I got you. So,
and not to mention the one I won in the county up here in the courthouse.
that's fine. So what's your name?
Can't really give you any information because you're going to use it against
D25. Hey, come here.
Oh, let me get this paper.
I understand that.
So let me ask you, are you going to be using any of this information or documentation against me in a court of law?
You don't have a license?
No, sir.
Alright.
Window tint,
yes,
is there an injured party involved?
Doesn't matter, state law.
It does matter, sir. It has to be an injured party in order for there to be a crime.
Alright.
I mean, all the justices, the Supreme Court and everything's already upheld all these decisions, so.
That's fine.
And I'm just trying to get the point across to you guys, because you guys have been lied to as well.
Alright.
Like here, even here is the South Carolina Supreme Court case that the state can only impose a fee for compensation of the highways on motor vehicles exclusively in interstate commerce.
Yes, sir.
I'm not acting in interstate commerce or any kind of commerce for that matter. And here, South Carolina versus U.S., the Constitution is a written instrument. As such, its meaning does not alter that which it meant when it was adopted. It means now. Further, the right to travel by private conveyance, which is this, for private purposes, this is what I'm doing, upon the common way cannot be infringed. Are you even...
I'm listening to you.
I mean, but you don't seem like you're listening to me.
I'm listening to you.
So so no license or permission is required for travel when such travel is not for the purpose.
In the state of South Carolina, you must have a driver's license.
But the state has already, this is the state's decision. So
South Carolina, you have to have a driver's license. You have to present it to me.
if I work for the state, yes, sir. Can we get a county deputy out there? County?
Yes.
It says it would say South Carolina here instead of North Carolina on the other one.
I got you. So you have your ID?
This is a parent company name.
Do you have your driver's license?
I don't work for. I don't have a company ID, no sir.
Do you have your driver's license?
I don't have a company ID.
Do you have insurance?
I don't have any company information.
Do you have?
From the state of South Carolina.
All right. I'm asking one more time for your driver's license.
I don't have a company ID, sir.
Are you suspended? Don't have a license? What's the problem?
I don't have a company ID, sir.
All right. Well, listen. Go ahead, turn around. You're under arrest.
I need the sheriff's deputy out here.
You got a highway patrol in the town of Blacksburg. That's what you got.
Can I get you to uphold your constitutional duty and protect my rights?
All right. Spread your feet for me.
Hey,
yes, sir.
Is there any way we could wait on the tow truck and let me pay him to take that to my house?
No, sir. Hold on.
I'd appreciate it if you do that for me.
You have any marijuana on you?
No.
Is there any marijuana in the vehicle? Is there any marijuana in the vehicle?
Thanks, sir.
All right. He was coming down 29, I was sitting in the church. He whoops it around and comes back out the other way.
And then you saw that.
I seen the front windshield, so I was like, this is odd.
I hadn't seen that.
What we're seeing here isn't defiance, it's avoidance. The hope that responsibility can be sidestepped instead of addressed. But the problem with shortcuts is they only work if the system agrees they exist, and the legal system doesn't. If this kind of breakdown helps cut through the noise, those emotional support buttons for YouTube matter. So like, subscribe, and make sure you comment and let me know what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. Your support allows this channel to stay focused on the facts and not the outrage, and I appreciate you all. Shortcuts feel good, right up until they don't. And when the stakes involve laws, courts, and consequences, the longest path is often the one that pretends the responsibility is optional. It is not. Until next time, I'll see you soon.